On to some more updates coming in this time to the national capital viewers, where the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor has now directed the implementation of micro-containment zone strategy after several COVID-19 cases have been reported in the sealed areas. We'll go across to my colleague Piyush, who has more details on this. Piyush, over to you. Take us through the details of how the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has now directed the implementation of a micro-containment zone strategy after several COVID-19 cases have been reported even in sealed areas now.
The 6 cases were reported in a containment zone in Jahangirpuri area of Delhi, and the similar story was repeated from different parts of Delhi. And looking at the spreading of virus especially in hotspot zones, this decision has been taken where small zones will be developed, small micro containment zones will be there, so that containment of virus can be done and spreading of virus can be completely stopped and chain can be completely stopped. And this decision has been taken by Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Remember, today at around 1:30 there was a video conferencing which took place between Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in which LG was also present. Top officials of Delhi Police and health officials were also present. So looking at the spreading of virus, this decision has been taken. As of now, if it go by the tally of hotspots, there are 99 hotspots of those have been identified in national capital. Few hotspots are big areas which those are not in which it's quite impossible to contain the spreading of virus. And looking at what is happening in these areas, this decision has been taken so that micro hotspots can be developed. So that's the certain decision, important decision which has been taken by Delhi LG. And this has been done looking at the number of cases which are now increasing in national capital. Let us also remind to our viewers that more than 3,000 cases have already been reported in national capital, and now that's going to be a big challenge in front of the government. So looking at what's happening, this decision has been taken. We'll have to wait and watch what more decision government will take to contain the spreading of virus which is taking place in national capital.
All right. Thank you so much, Piyush, for getting us that update from the national capital. We'll wait and see what more comes out, even as Delhi's Lieutenant Governor has now directed the implementation of a micro-containment zone strategy after several COVID zones that have been already sealed have also reported more cases.
Hi everyone, I'm Abhishek Kapoor. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.